What if I told you that you're just 3 steps away from transforming your life? That the abundance, love, and happiness you crave are already within your reach, waiting to be unlocked. Have you ever felt like, no matter how hard you try, something holds you back? Like an invisible force is keeping you from living the life of your dreams? Get ready, because in this video, I'm going to reveal 3 simple steps, grounded in science and spirituality, that will unleash the infinite power of your mind and attract everything you desire, faster than you can imagine. Stay until the end, because the 3rd step is what changed my life, and it can change yours too. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money, opportunities, and joy like a magnet, while others stay trapped in a cycle of scarcity? The answer lies in the quantum field, an invisible ocean of energy connecting everything and everyone. According to quantum physics, your thoughts and emotions are like waves that shape this field, creating the reality you experience. But here's the problem. Most of us are programmed to vibrate at the frequency of fear, doubt, and lack. Think about it. How often do you catch yourself worrying about bills, the future, or feeling like this isn't for you? That's the cycle we need to break. The good news? You don't need years of practice or advanced knowledge. With 3 simple steps, you can rewire your mind, tune into the frequency of abundance, and start seeing results in days. The first step is to silence the chaos of your mind. Picture your mind as a radio trying to pick up a clear station, but drowned out by static, stress, worries, distractions. To tap into the quantum field, you need to enter a state of nothingness, where only the present moment exists. How do you do this? Set aside 5 minutes a day, close your eyes, breathe deeply, and imagine yourself floating in an infinite void, free from problems. Feel your body relax, as if it's dissolving into a warm golden light. Picture every worry melting away, leaving only peace. This is the moment you connect to the source of all possibilities. It sounds simple, but this is where the magic begins. Now that you're connected, it's time to plant the seed of what you want. Be specific. Do you want a new job? More money? True love? Visualize your desire as if it's already real. For example, picture yourself signing an incredible contract, smelling the crisp paper, feeling the weight of the pen in your hand, and the joy bursting in your chest. Here's the secret. Emotion is the fuel. Feel the gratitude, the excitement, as if you've already achieved it. Dr. Joe Dispenza says the universe responds to the frequency of emotion, not just thought. So, live that emotion intensely for at least 60 seconds. Imagine the thrill of driving your dream car or the warmth of holding someone you love. That feeling is like sending an irresistible signal to the universe. If this is resonating with you, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to join our journey of transformation. Your support helps spread this message of abundance to more people, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. The 3rd step is where most people stumble. You need to let go of attachment. It sounds counterintuitive, but if you obsess over when or how your desire will arrive, you're vibrating at the frequency of lack. Instead, trust that the universe is aligning everything. Picture your intention as an arrow you've shot. Now, let it fly. And here's the crucial part. Act. If an idea, opportunity, or intuition pops up, follow it. It could be sending a message, signing up for a course, or even smiling at a stranger. Every action is like a dance step with the universe. When I did this, I got an unexpected job offer in less than a week. I remember the moment I saw the email. My heart raced, and I knew the universe was responding. What will you attract when you take that leap? Now, imagine what your life would be like if you mastered these 3 steps. Picture waking up every day with the certainty that the universe is conspiring in your favor. doors opening, synchronicities appearing, and you living with purpose, abundance, and joy. Imagine walking into a room and feeling unstoppable, knowing you're aligned with the infinite possibilities of the quantum field. This isn't a dream. It's what happens when you align your mind and heart with the universe. But be warned, this path takes courage. Courage to silence the voices of doubt, to feel before you see, and to trust the invisible. Are you ready to take this leap? If your answer is yes, comment below. I am the creator of my reality. Let's create a wave of positive energy together. You've just received the keys to unlock your infinite potential, but knowledge only transforms if you act. Start today. Take 5 minutes to meditate, visualize your biggest dream, feel the emotion, and let go. The universe is listening, and it always responds. Picture yourself a month from now, living with more ease, joy, and abundance, because you dared to try. If this video touched your heart, leave a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this message. Together, we can spread this energy of abundance. Finally, YouTube is suggesting a complimentary video in the card. Watch it now to learn how to keep this high vibration every day. You are the architect of your reality. The time to create is now. Go for it, and may the light be with you.